now. I want to go to first our Bihar Bureau Chief, Rohit Singh, joins me. Because Rohit, one of the stories today in an otherwise relatively peaceful poll was the clash that took place between the Deputy Chief Minister Vijay Sinha of the BJP and an RJD MLC. Tell us a little bit more about that. And by and large, would I be right in saying that the poll has been peaceful? Bihar used to be extremely violent 30 years ago. Times have changed.
Well, yes, Rajdeep, and you yourself have witnessed in the 90s that how violence used to take place during elections. Ballots were used to be looted, incidents of firing used to take place. But in the last 20 years, more or less, the situation has come under control. It's only in this time we are seeing that in the last 10 days, there has been some violence that has been reported, be it Mokama or the incident of small skirmishes that took place today between Deputy Chief Minister Vijay Kumar Sinha and RJD MLC Ajay Singh. And it all started when Vijay Kumar Sinha alleged that his convoy was attacked by a mob who were like RJD, where he alleged the RJD people, and cow dung was thrown, his stones were pelted at him. But let me tell you that the district administration has now come out with an official note where they have rejected all the claims that has been made by Vijay Kumar Sinha and said that the incident was very insignificant. Only cow dung was thrown at the convoy of Vijay Kumar Sinha. No incident of stone pelting took place, and it was a small and insignificant incident which was blown out of proportion by the Deputy Chief Minister. This is what the official version of the district administration has come. But yes, more or less the elections that took place today was very peaceful, and as you rightly mentioned, the rise in the polling percentage, if it is anything to go by, we must watch that which way the women of Bihar have voted, because that's very, very significant. The kind of long queues that we saw today since morning in the various assembly constituencies, what are they indicative of? That remains to be seen.
Let's take a look at Rohit's report, though, on that clash that took place between the Deputy Chief Minister's convoy and an RJD MLC. Take a look.
ये गुंडा राजद का गुंडा है और सत्ता में आए बिना इसके गुंडे देख लीजिए.
Sticks and stones and even cow dung. Phase 1 of elections in Bihar saw high drama being witnessed in Lakhisarai. Deputy Chief Minister Vijay Kumar Sinha's convoy came under attack with stones and even cow dung hurled at his vehicles. Sinha says this wasn't a stray mob, but RJD-backed workers trying to capture a booth.
ये गुंडा राजद का गुंडा है और सत्ता में आए बिना इसके गुंडे देख लीजिए कि बिहार के उप मुख्यमंत्री को बाहर जाने के लिए किस तरह से विरोध प्रदर्शन कर रहा है. बूथ पर मेरे पोलिंग एजेंट को सुबह में ही 6:30 बजे लौटा दिया, धमकी देके वोटर को निकलने नहीं दे रहा.
But that wasn't all. The drama peaked when Sinha stormed into a face-off with RJD MLC Ajay Singh on the ground.
ये राजद का एमएलसी दारू पी करके तुम बोल दे बोले कौन चेक करवा तो इसको दारू पिए हुए दारू पी करके खुद पर हंगामा करता है. दारू पी के हंगामा हो गया तुमने. अरे दारू पी हंगामा के इसको चेक करवाओ. ये राजद का एमएलसी दारू पी करके.
The opposition alleged that Sinha tried to intimidate voters.
3 दर्जन फोर्स के साथ वो अभी चल रहे हैं. 11 गाड़ियों का काफिला लेके चल रहे हैं. और बूथ कैप्चरिंग कहाँ गए हैं जहां महागठबंधन का कोर वोटर है. 5 दिनों से षड्यंत्र कर रहे हैं. कहीं जूता का माला खुद रखवाए रहते हैं.
The Election Commission stepped in. Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar directed the Bihar DGP to take swift action. and the police have responded, filing an FIR.
और माननीय मुख्यमंत्री भी हैं, उनसे भी उन्होंने अपनी समस्या को बताया है। तो यहाँ गांव में आए थे और लोगों के द्वारा कुछ विरोध प्रदर्शन भी किया गया है। मैंने देखा कि उनकी गाड़ी पे कुछ कीचड़ और गोबर जैसा भी दिखाई दे रहा था और यहाँ से थोड़ी दूर ही गांव है, मैं वहाँ जाता हूँ, वहाँ देखूँगा और फिर इसमें इतना तो तय है कि जिन भी लोगों के द्वारा ये हरकत की गई, पुलिस इसमें बहुत कड़ा एक्शन लेगी।
Meanwhile, across the rest of Bihar, Phase 1 saw a strong turnout with leaders queuing up to vote. The big names were up early, turning booths into mini power shows. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar voted in Patna with trademark calm. Modi ministers Giriraj Singh and Lalan Singh flashed inked fingers and confidence. NDA ally Chirag Paswan in Khagaria declared the ruling alliance cruising.
और रत्ती भर इसमें कहीं कोई शंका नहीं है और मैं इसलिए कतई नहीं बोल रहा कि मैं इस गठबंधन का हिस्सा हूं। 14 तारीख परिणामों के बाद एक बार फिर से बिहार में अब एनडीए की मजबूत सरकार इस बार बनने जा रही है।
The Yadav clan too was out in full strength. Lalu, Rabri, Tejashwi and Misa voted under a wall of cameras.
हम लोग जीतेंगे, सब लोग जीतेंगे, बिहार जीतेगा। 14 को नई सरकार मिलने वाली है।
एनडीए का जंगल राज और एनडीए का केंद्रीय मंत्री क्या जाके भाषण दे रहा है, क्या सिखा रहा है। आज फर्स्ट फेज का वोट चल रहा है, वो क्या कह रहे हैं कि गरीबों को घर में बंद कर दो, उनको वोट नहीं देने दो।
In Darbhanga, Mahagathbandhan's Deputy Chief Minister face Mukesh Sahani voted with family. And Tej Pratap Yadav held his own independent show in Mahua. From high stakes to high drama, this was only Phase 1. With Rohit Singh and Amit Bharadwaj, Bureau Report, India Today.